Hey everyone, welcome to Alchemy. So today I'm going to show you how to pick a mango or how to pick a good mango at the store. But before we get into the video, if you want a really good recipe on how to make pumpkin seed milk and 5 benefits of pumpkin seeds, then check the card shown above. And also don't forget to subscribe. As you know, I share very basic recipes for beginners who are new to cooking. I also post about vegan, gluten-free and some weight loss recipes. So let's get started with how to choose a mango or what you need to know when picking mangoes. Here we have mangoes that are going to be ripe in a couple of days, just ripe, and completely ripe mangoes. The first tip you need to know in how to pick a mango is by looking at its color. These 3 mangoes shown right now are of lighter yellow. These ones are bright yellow with no green tinge or color within them. And the rest of the 6 mangoes are between deep yellow to orange. The second tip you need to know in how to pick a mango is by touching it to assess how soft or firm they are. The lighter yellow mangoes are firm in touch and have a green tinge here and there. They also do not have any shrivelings or black spots on them. And the part where the mango is attached to the tree, the color is also just light yellow, which means it would ripen completely in a couple of days. As you can see, the bright yellow mangoes are softer to touch and looks to have a uniform color across with no green tinge in between. This mango is not overly sweet as it's just ripe and hence would work well in salad or salsa. We're almost to the end of the video where I will also share some interesting facts about mango. These mangoes are deep yellow in color and on touch they make a dent when pressed. This is the mango that is far sweeter in taste and works best for smoothies or ice creams due to the higher sugar content. Now if you were to buy these, then consume them quickly in a day or two, as fully ripened mangoes can shrivel up a bit, as you can see. But anything later will cause spots to be developed, which can alter the taste of the mangoes. Before we come to the last tip in how to pick a mango, you must know that there are different varieties of mango where the color may not even change from green to yellow. So remember, always pick a mango when you feel it's soft to touch. If it's firm in touch, it needs more time to ripe. The last tip you need to know in how to pick a mango is by smell. It definitely has to smell like a mango. The black spots on this mango indicates that it's almost starting to spoil and not a great choice to pick up, even though it's green on one side and red on the other. When applying the softness test, it's too squishy and hence not suitable for consumption. Here is the interesting fact that I promised. The mango is a national fruit of not just one country but 3. The countries are India, Pakistan and Philippines. Though India is the largest producer of mangoes, it accounts for less than 1% of the international mango trade. Why? Because India consumes most of its own production. There are 1,500 varieties of mangoes in India. The box of mangoes that I picked from an Asian store has 5 varieties which are specific to United States. They are called Atolfo, Hayden, T. Atkins, Kent and the Keat variety. I hope you found value in this video and will put the tips to practice in picking a good mango from the store. If you really like this video, hit that subscribe, like button and the bell icon. And now for another interesting video, check how I made mango smoothie without milk or sugar.